I got the hiccups now. Yeah.
What are you doing,
Got the
little
hiccups
man?
and some gas. Yeah. I think this is recording. See, I got the hiccups. Mommy won't let me scare him to get rid of the hiccups. I won't do it anyway. His little man got the hiccups. Huh? His little man got the hiccups. Yeah, I know it. It makes me mad a little bit. Yeah, it makes me mad a little bit. I don't like to have the hiccups. What was that? What was that look? Huh? What was that look? Bless you. Bless you. See, that usually makes me mad. It usually makes me mad. Daddy loves you. Yeah, Daddy loves you. So make those hiccups go away, Daddy. Alright, I've got to go back to work. I love you.